Are you done? But the journey to get home was ridiculous. So I leave work to go to the train station. Get to the train station, and the trains are looking like they're running just fine. The express train is gonna go local. Cool, no problem. My train is supposed to be local. It has its own track. The express train is gonna be local, and they have their own track. What I didn't pay attention to is the train that was running on the local track. The express train ran on the local track and on the express track. I didn't see that. So when I got on the local track, I thought it was my train. So I got on it. And I got a seat, and I was like, ooh, yay. I'm gonna sit down, and I'm just gonna go home. And then it started to smell funny. And next thing I know, there was this weird smelling homeless person on the train that just came on, and it was just like, hey, I'm here now. I'm gonna sit here with all the cool people. And I was like, great. Just great. So the next stop comes, I get up and I go to the next cart. And I sit down and I get nice and comfortable, and I'm like, yes, I'm gonna take a nap, and I'm gonna wake up, and it's gonna be my stop. I'm so excited because I'm gonna go home. I wake up, I'm all the way by 170th on the 4 train because I didn't get on the 6 train. I got on the 4 train because I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. So I called my boyfriend, and I was pretty upset. 12 minutes versus 40 minutes. So I got in the car and I just got home. And guess what? My vlog is still loading. Like, I've been loading this vlog since, I want to say 9:30, 10 o'clock. It is 1:40 in the morning. And my vlog 30%. And this happens. This happens all the time. YouTube. What do I need to do to make this upload faster because I'm sick and tired of this. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's still on 30. Good night.
Good morning. What's up, everyone? Today is Monday, April 23rd, and it is now 10:58 a.m. and I'm so excited. Let me tell you why I'm so excited, because I found this website that a YouTuber suggested for other YouTubers to go to get music royalty free, and it's very affordable. So I'm so excited to give you guys better quality videos with amazing music as background. So I'm just like, I'm about to like bust a move, but I'm trying to hold it in because I want to give you guys all this energy in my videos. And also, I'm going to be doing a video for Fashion Over dresses, my review, things I like, and give you my side so that maybe you guys can have a better experience in shopping with them. So, like, I don't know if you guys can feel the excitement. Can you feel it? Can you feel the excitement? So, yeah, I'm going to get back to building my iTunes library up, so I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Bye!
Morning, guys. It is. Sorry. It is April 24th, Tuesday. I just came back from jogging. Say hi. Look at them dry legs. Whew. Today is pedicure day. So after this we're going to the mall. I'm about to do some Gold Bond. I bought this Gold Bond yesterday. This is the aloe vera. It's really premium, and it feels really good.
You don't want to use
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible. Now
So this is a mini haul. I'm going to show you guys what I got from Victoria's Secret from the mall, and Mom's going to show you guys what we got from Bath & Body Works. So I'll go first. So I got these cute little boy shorts, and they say just resting my eyes. It's really cute. This is the front of it. It has this cute like gray lining around it in the front, and then I got these pink velvet boy shorts, and they're just the same on the front and the back. I thought they were really cute, and they're so soft. And I got the matching pink velvet sandals, well, slippers. They're more slippers for like the house and stuff like that. And I got these too. These are really comfortable as well. And that's all I got from Victoria's Secret. And Mom's gonna show you guys what we got from Bath & Body Works.
What she got is this thing. It's so goddamn dumb.
It's a it's a plug-in. Mom, it's just a cute little cup. And it has like all these like bubble impersonations with the cherry. No, it's the strawberry.
And she bought the stuff that goes in.
Basil on the top and a little stick that says cheers.
It's pink
It's the cutest little plug-in.
Prosecco.
It smells so good, you guys.
Allegedly.
It smells like sweet flowers, basically. So I got two of them. Two of the pink Prosecco. One for my room and one for the bathroom. And I'm not sure if I'm going to put this in the bathroom or I'm going to put it in my room. Probably the bathroom. But I'll show you guys when I get home when I change the bathroom around. So yeah, that is our little mini haul. And we're going to go play bowling. So
You don't play bowling. You go bowling. Thank you very much.
see you when we get inside.
melting, irresistible when I look through your eyes. Not even
Guys, they have a vending machine for snacks. They have a vending machine for drinks, and they have a vending machine for socks at the bowling alley. Look, I'm not joking. There's a vending machine for socks, and they're selling them for $4 when I could just get one pair of socks from the dollar store for $1. But you know, for the sake of the day and saving time, we're just gonna pay the $4. And yes, Marlon is paying the $4.
irresistible when I look through your eyes. Not even sky's the limit. I used to be
Oh, these are much cuter. I want these. Yes. I want these.
Are these your official bowling socks?
Yes, these are my official bowling socks.
Satisfied, get over this surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me
How adorable are these? These are freaking cute. Bowling socks. Alright guys, we're the only ones that are here. This is really nice.
like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get in. Had to live and cry to appreciate life and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I'm withering under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over this surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. Beyond the horizon. Beyond the horizon. Let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life than I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more